Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi A7 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I want to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock that you might have set that you don't know. And in addition, this will also delete all the data that is stored on your phone. So if you have anything there that you'd like to back up, do so. Now, I do want to quickly mention, if you can't really access your device because of a screen lock, you won't really be able to back up your data, but what you could technically do is log into the same account that is signed in on this device on your computer. So go to something like Google Drive, sign in with the same Google account, and in there you can check what kind of data has been backed up from this phone. As if we go in here quickly, damn it, and here to backup and restore and select backup, you can see that Google okay, never mind. Typically you would see two different options in here. I'm not sure why they're not visible, and it's not because I'm not signed in, but you will see photos and videos and also other device data. So typically they will have a check mark right there. If they do, that means that they're being synced to the Google Cloud, and if they are being synced, you will be obviously able to find your photos and videos on the Google Drive there, so you don't need to access your phone. It's probably already the more important things are backed up, like your contacts and photos, videos, and so on. Now, if they're not, there's not much you can do, to be completely honest. In any case, moving on with the reset, if you have a screen lock, I'm just going to proceed from the lock screen. Although I don't have one here, it doesn't really change at all. So you want to basically press power button and volume up, and then swipe up to turn off your device. Give it like solid 5 to 10 seconds after the screen turns black, just so you're certain that the phone turned off. And from there, hold power button and volume up again. Don't hold it for much longer. And let go of just the power button when you see the Mi logo. Now keep holding volume up till you have the recovery mode visible, which is this mode right here. Now from here, using volume buttons either up or down, you can navigate up or down. So I'm going to start pressing volume down to select wipe data. Once it's selected, I'm going to confirm it with the power button. Then select wipe all data and confirm. And this begins resetting all the data, and here it only gets to like 7% or something like that, maybe a little bit more. There we go, so it got like 11. So once it's finished, it's going to give you this message, data wipe successfully. So we're going to press power button, power button, power button, and this will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now this isn't the fastest device, so be prepared for like a minute or actually 2 minutes or so for this to finish up. And when it's completed, we will then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, finally the reset is finished, and you can now set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.